What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is part 6 of this series for completing the squares and solving quadratic equations by completing the squares. If you haven't watched the first 5 parts, I highly recommend you to go back and start from part 1. If you have watched, you can start watching this video, which is the part 6. First example here I have is x squared plus 14x minus 15 equals to 0. First thing I need to do, I need to have this one 14 divided by 2 is going to make it 7 squared is going to be 49. So I need to add and subtract 49 there. It's going to make it, the first 3 terms is going to be x plus 7 to the power of 2 minus 64 equals to 0. So we have x plus 7 to the power of 2 will be 64. So x plus 7 will be plus minus square root of 64, which is plus minus 8. So x will be negative 7 plus minus 8, which means that the answer is going to be 1 and negative 15. Next example is x squared minus 12x plus 23 equals to 0. The answer is, I have negative 12 divided by 2 is going to be negative 6. Negative 6 squared is going to be 36. So I have x squared minus 12x plus 36 minus 36 plus 23 equals to 0. So then you have x minus 6 to the power of 2 minus 13 equals to 0. So x minus 6 to the power of 2 will be 13. So x minus 6 will be plus minus square root of 13. So x will be 6 plus minus square root of 13. Next example. X squared minus 4x minus 91 equals to 7. Answer will be negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is going to be positive 4. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 minus 91 equals to 7. So for the first 3 terms, I have x minus 2 to the power of 2, negative 95, 7. So x minus 2 is going to be 95 plus 7, which is going to be 102. So it's going to be, the answer is going to be x minus 2 equals to plus minus square root of 102. So x will be 2 plus minus square root of 102. Next example is x squared minus 10x plus 26 equals to 8. So the answer is negative 10 divided by 2 will be negative 5. Negative 5 squared is going to be 25. So you have x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus 25 plus 26 equals to 8. So the first 3 terms is x minus 5 to the power of 2 equals to negative 25 and 26 will be positive 1. Positive 1 when you go over there is going to be negative 1, so 8 minus 1 is going to be 7. So x minus 5 is going to be plus minus square root of 7. So x will be 5 plus minus square root of 7. Next example. X squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to negative 4. So the answer is negative 4 divided by 2 is going to be negative 2. Negative 2 squared will be positive 4. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 1 equals to negative 4. So I have x minus 2 to the power of 2. That's going to be minus 3. If you move it here, it's going to be minus, it's going to be plus 3. So that's going to be negative 1. So that's going to be x minus 2 equals to Since here is squared and this one is negative 1, we don't have any real number. The answer, no real solution. We have imaginary solution, which is out of scope of this video. I will explain it in other videos later on, but it's out of scope of most of high school curriculum. So there is no real solution to that. Next example, I have x squared plus 2x equals to negative 20. Answer will be 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 squared is going to be 1. So we have x plus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to negative 20. So it's going to be x plus 1 squared equals to negative 19. Again, the squares is equal to negative numbers. So again, no real solution to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it useful. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want, you can subscribe to this channel. You have access to different videos and playlists regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.